last time I was over here, I was trying to photograph the sandhill cranes and scared them off. Hoping for a little bit better luck this time. See if I find them. Well, at least it's a gorgeous walk if nothing else. Well, I'm in the middle of the swamp. I'm not seeing or hearing anything today. It's a lot more boggy than it was last time I was here, so I can't get as far in. Got a few halfway decent vantage points, but there's nothing there. And maybe another day. So this trip isn't a complete waste. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. Well, I found a way to the other side of the pond. I'm kind of in the woods right now, trying to keep myself hidden, because right now I'm not seeing a sandhill crane, but I am seeing a crane. So, hey, beggars can't be choosers.